welcome back to my channel, the Baking Diva. No baking today, but I have a little surprise for you. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever heard of POST MALONE? Well, if you have not, don't feel bad, because neither have I. I guess I'm truly showing my age, that's for sure. But anyway, I printed out something here so I can tell you who POST MALONE is in case you don't know. And it says here, POST MALONE's real name is Austin Richard Post. And he goes by the stage name POST MALONE. And he's an American singer. He's a rapper. He's a songwriter, and he's a record producer. And my son told me he has a reputation for being a really nice, polite guy. Sounds good. I had asked my son, do you know who he is? And he said, yes. And then I asked my daughter, I said, do you know who POST MALONE is? And she goes, yes. You mean you don't know who POST MALONE is? I go, sorry, I don't. But anyway, he's known for blending different genres like hip-hop, pop, rhythm and blues, country, all kinds of music. Apparently he's very talented. And he was nominated for a Grammy. And you may know some of his songs, Rockstar, Circles, and I Had Some Help. And I believe it says here on my paper that he's 29 years old and he hails from Syracuse, New York. So anyway, the reason I'm here today is to do a review and a taste testing on, you won't believe this, POST MALONE has his own Oreos out. These are POST MALONE Oreos. You know how Oreos always puts out limited editions of things? Well, I saw this on the shelf in the food store and I walked over and the package looked kind of strange. And I said, what is that? And it has POST written across it and then Malone. I'll put a picture in for you. Yeah. And they're Oreo sandwich cookies. And it says here they're Posties, swirled, salted caramel, and shortbread flavor cream. I gotta be honest with you, they sounded really good. So on the back, let me see. Oh, on the back here, it says here, POST MALONE's Taste Twist. And there's a little tiny picture of him. And then he wrote on here, I can't believe they let me make my own Oreo cookie. So happy everyone gets to try the Taste Twist. Hope you like it as much as I do. And he signs it Posty. Now, it describes the cookie as a chocolate top, and there's 9 unique designs. The other side, the cookie, is a golden base. And then, it says the designs on the cookie may vary. And then it has, this sounds good, salted caramel and shortbread flavored cream inside. So I gotta tell you, they sounded pretty darn good. And I'm just amazed at how many different kinds of Oreos Oreo puts out. So I'm here today to open this package up and taste, one of these cookies and give you my honest opinion. Oh, one serving is 2 cookies, and it's 140 calories. Okay, all right, so let me get my scissor, chop, 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 and open this up. All right, oh, I gotta tell you, I smell caramel. The minute I'm opening this, I smell caramel. It smells good. Usually, I'm just a fan of the plain Oreo cookies, dipped in milk. Oh yeah. But every now and then, I like to try something different. You know, they come out with the red filling for the holidays, the green for St. Patrick's Day. They have Easter ones, everything. So let me pull this out. Oh, and this is what it looks like inside. Let me hold this up. Hopefully you can see it. The smell is potent, I'll tell you. Now let me take one out. Here's the golden Oreo on one side and the chocolate one on the other side. And it says they have different designs. So let me see. This one is a... First I thought it was a cat, but it's a butterfly. And it has the PM in the middle for Post Malone. Let's see what else. This one just says Posty Company with Post Malone and USA. I'm being silly today. This one, what is this? Oh, this one is a guitar on here. Little guitar on here. It says there's 9 designs. What's this? Okay. What is it? Oh, it's a horse. A horse galloping. And then it has PM for Post Malone in there. And what's this one? This just has a design like a chain. And it says Post across the middle. That's 5 of them. Let's see. This one is a record. I think it's a record, and it says Oreo Post on it. So that's 3, that's 6. There should be 3 more designs. Here's another butterfly. This says Post Company. I think we saw that one. That's the guitar again. The horse. Oh, what is this? This looks to me like a sunflower. I'm not sure, but that's what it looks like to me, a sunflower. Or a sun. I don't know. But there's little dots in the middle, so I think it's a sunflower. And is there any others? Oh, yes. What is this? Not sure. I don't think it's another record. It's kind of swirlies, and it says PM on it. I'm not sure what that one is. And let me see. Is there one more? Oh, look at this one. This one's a truck. This must be Posty's truck. I think that might be all of them. Yeah. Okay. Got them put aside here. How many of these cookies do you get in the package? You get 20 because it's 2 cookies per serving and there's 10 servings. All right. So, okay, Posty, I'm going to open one of these up and give it a try. So let's just, I'm going to open it first. How do you like to eat your Oreos? Oh, that looks pretty good. I bet you it's swirled if I opened it up the other way. Let me try another one. Oh, there's the caramel on that side. All right. So let me take a bite of the part that has this caramel. Well, I gotta tell you, I love them. Because first of all, I love shortbread. And they say that the cream in the middle is a combination of a caramel and a shortbread cream. And it does taste like shortbread with caramel. I'm really liking this. Let me put this back together. I like it. Posty. So far, I'm giving you a thumbs up. Post Malone, if you see this video of mine, now that I know who you are, you might want to send me a case of your Oreos, because so far I think I'm going to give them a good review. Alright, let's go. Yellow on one side, chocolate on the other side with the filling. Alrighty. I need a glass of milk. Why didn't I have milk here? I wasn't thinking. Alright. Well. I have to tell you, if you like caramel, and like me, you like shortbread, I would say grab yourself a package of these. This is an honest review. I paid for these with my own money. I don't have the receipt, but I think they were somewhere around, maybe, I'm guessing, $5 a package. I like them. Good. Good. Where's my son? I was going to get him in here, off camera. Scott, I wanted you to try one off camera. Here.
I'm sure these are Oreos.
They're really good. The camera's on. You can go over there. Oh, I got my son to walk in. He's going to taste one off camera. They're supposed to be a shortbread Scott cream with caramel. I think they're really good. You taste that little shortbread? They're good, aren't they? He likes them too.
Like lemon milk.
What? Yeah, I said the same thing. He needs a glass of milk. So, anyway, these are good. So I give these Post Malone Oreos a thumbs up. I give them 2 thumbs up. I really like them. That hint of the shortbread flavored cream, I think, is what put me over the top, because I love shortbread. So, this is my honest review on Post Malone's Oreos. I don't know. It doesn't say limited edition on them, but I'm sure they are. I doubt if they're going to have them out a long time. It says on it, Posty Company. I don't know. Let's see. Anything else I should need to tell you? They're Post Malone's Oreo Taste Twists. Yeah. And if you could see the inside, you'll see the cream is swirled with the white and the caramel. Now, if you don't know what Post Malone looks like, you might be a little surprised. So I Googled it and I checked out what he looked like, because I didn't know him. And I honestly think he's very, very popular. But maybe not so much in my age group. I'm not sure. So I screenshot a few pictures of him, and I'm going to put them in there so you can associate him with the face and the cookies. So I hope you enjoyed this little taste testing. I'm going to get the rest of the family down here to taste these. I thought it's cute. The way he's got all his different designs, I guess that means something to him on the cookies. And all I can say is, way to go, Posty. You did a good job. I think these are going to be a hit. At least they're a hit with me, and I really like them. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, and that goes for you too, Post Malone, hit that subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And it'll help my channel to grow. So I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, give these cookies a try. They're good. They're a 10. And I will see you all very soon. Toodles! Gonna finish this one. Good.
You're not bad.